Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by reproducing the error reliably. This gives you a controlled experiment. Collect the full stack trace and exact exception text so you know where execution failed. Next, make a minimal test case or run the failing scenario in a debugger to observe variables and state. Once done, note environment details, runtime version, installed packages, and configuration, because differences there often explain why an unhandled exception appears now. You now focus on why the exception was unhandled. Step through stack frames and examine variables to find the bad input or null reference. Compare with recent commits. Add precise try/catch blocks only around suspect calls and log context, function args, ID, and timestamps, so you learn how the state leads to the exception. Also, validate inputs and ensure asynchronous code surfaces errors to the same handler, because race conditions often hide the real trigger. You implement the fix in the smallest, safest change set, null checks, input validation, or corrected logic, and immediately add unit tests reproducing the original failure. Once successful, make sure global exception handlers log full context and either recover or escalate. This prevents silent crashes. Deploy to staging and monitor logs and alerts closely. If problems persist, reproduce with increased logging and a debugger session. That one targeted extra trace usually reveals the remaining edge case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.